Imagine being able to create cinematic videos with just a few words. No camera, no crew, just your ideas. The future of video creation is here, and it's about to change everything for creators and tech lovers. In this video, we're diving into Google's game-changing Veo 3, the most powerful text-to-video AI model yet. Whether you're a seasoned creator, or just curious about the next big thing, you won't want to miss what's coming. Stick around, because we'll reveal how Veo 3 can transform your creative journey and share tips you won't find anywhere else. It's something we've been seeing hints of for a while now, with text-to-image generators getting better and better. But video? That's always been the next frontier. Well, it looks like that frontier is officially here. Google just dropped a bombshell on the creator world with the announcement of Veo 3, their latest and most powerful text-to-video AI model, and the biggest news? They're integrating it directly into YouTube Shorts. This isn't some far-off concept or a beta test for a select few. This is happening now, and it's poised to fundamentally change how we think about creating and consuming short-form content. For years, creating a compelling video, even a short one, required a certain set of skills. You needed a camera, some lighting knowledge, editing software, and the time to put it all together. Even for a simple 60-second clip, the barrier to entry was real. Veo 3 aims to completely demolish that barrier. The promise is simple. You type a description, a prompt, and the AI generates a high-quality cinematic video for you. We're not just talking about a slideshow of images here. We're talking about fluid motion, consistent characters, and an understanding of filmmaking language like time-lapse or aerial shot. It's a massive leap forward. This integration marks a pivotal moment for YouTube as a platform. They're not just providing a tool. They're embedding a content factory directly into the creation process. Imagine opening the YouTube app, typing a photorealistic video of a robot jing a party on Mars, and getting a stunning ready-to-post short in minutes. This move is clearly designed to keep YouTube competitive in the fast-paced world of short-form video, empowering a new wave of creators who might have ideas but lack the technical gear or expertise. The implications are huge for everyone from the casual user to the seasoned professional. The rollout is strategic. By putting this powerful engine right inside the YouTube Shorts creation flow, Google is making it incredibly accessible. It's right there, a button away from the millions of people who already use the platform every single day. This is how you get mass adoption. So what's the magic behind Veo 3? Let's break down the tech without getting lost in the weeds. At its core, Veo 3 is a generative AI model, similar in principle to models like DALL-E or Midjourney, but trained specifically for video. It has learned from a massive dataset of videos and text descriptions to understand the relationship between words and moving images. When you give it a prompt, it doesn't just pull clips from a library. It generates entirely new pixels, frame by frame, to create a video that matches your description. The real breakthrough with this third generation is its improved understanding of consistency and physics. Earlier models might have created a character that looked slightly different in every frame or had objects moving in unnatural ways. Veo 3 aims to solve that. So, we've talked about the upside, but we have to talk about the downside, and it's a big one. Whenever you make content creation this easy, you risk opening the floodgates to a tsunami of low-effort, generic content. Quick pause. If you're passionate about the future of AI and creativity, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Do you think AI will drown out original voices? Oregon open up new creative doors? Join the conversation right now. This is a phenomenon many are starting to call AI slop. It's the digital equivalent of junk mail. Videos that are technically well made but lack any real soul, originality, Oregon human touch. They're generated quickly, often with simple, uninspired prompts, and uploaded en masse to clog up our feeds. This is the central fear for both dedicated creators and discerning viewers. For creators who spend hours, days, Oregon, even weeks filming, editing, and perfecting a single video, this is a serious threat. Their handcrafted content, full of personal stories and unique perspectives, could get buried under an avalanche of AI-generated clips. At first glance, the best AI-generated videos from a model like Veo 3 can be shockingly realistic. The lighting looks good, the motion is smooth, and the textures are detailed. But if you know what to look for, you can often still spot the difference between human shot footage and machine-generated content. For now, one of the biggest tells is in the hands and faces. While AI has gotten much better, it can still struggle with the subtle complexities of human expression and anatomy. A smile might look slightly off, Oregon. A hand might have an unnatural number of fingers or bend in a weird way. These are the uncanny valley artifacts we've seen in AI images. Another key difference lies in the narrative and context. A human creator films with intent. Every shot, every angle, every cut is part of a larger story they are trying to tell. AI-generated video, on the other hand, is responding to a prompt. It can create a beautiful scene, but it lacks that underlying layer of lived experience. The authenticity of a genuine human reaction is incredibly difficult to replicate. The announcement of Veo 3's integration into YouTube Shorts has sent ripples through the entire online video community, and the reactions are, to put it mildly, mixed. On one side, you have a wave of excitement, particularly from aspiring creators or those on the fringes of the community. Many see this as an incredible opportunity. People who have always wanted to create animated stories, sci-fi shorts, Oregon fantasy scenes but lacked the animation skills or VFX budget are thrilled. Then you have the established creators, and their reactions are far more cautious and complex. Many professional videographers, animators, and editors are understandably worried. They've spent years honing their craft, investing in expensive equipment, and building a career based on a specific set of skills. Now a tool comes along that can replicate some of those skills in minutes. The sentiment isn't necessarily anger, but a deep sense of uncertainty about the future. Viewers are also divided. There's a definite wow factor, and many are eager to see the creative and bizarre videos that people will generate. However, there's also a growing weariness with AI-generated content in general. Many viewers have expressed concern that their feeds will become even more cluttered and impersonal. They come to YouTube for connection with real people, and they worry that this tool will encourage a flood of faceless, soulless content channels. So, if you're a creator looking at this new landscape, the question isn't whether you should ignore AI, it's how you can leverage it without losing what makes your content special. The first and most important piece of advice is to view Veo 3 as a tool, not a replacement for your creativity. One of the best ways to stand out is to blend AI-generated content with your own original footage. You can film yourself talking to the camera, sharing your unique personality and expertise, and then cut to a stunning AI-generated visual to illustrate your point. Furthermore, focus on storytelling that is deeply personal and specific. Tell the story of your specific neighborhood, your family history, your unique hobby, Oregon, your personal struggles and triumphs. The more you ground your content in your own lived experience, the harder it will be for anyone, Oregon, any machine to replicate. Authenticity is a powerful shield against the tide of generic content. Don't be afraid to be weird, to be different, to break the rules. The best artists have always been those who take the tools available and use them in ways no one else thought of. Looking ahead, it's clear that AI is not just a passing trend in video creation, it's a fundamental shift in the paradigm. We can expect these tools to become more powerful, more intuitive, and more seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. For creators, adaptation is not optional. It is essential for survival and growth. The most successful creators of the future will be those who are flexible, who are lifelong learners, and who embrace these new technologies as collaborators in their creative process. Ultimately, while the tool is changing, the goal remains the same: to create content that connects with people. Technology has always disrupted creative industries, from the printing press to the camera to the internet. Each time, it has democratized creation, sparked new art forms, and forced artists to adapt. AI is the next major step in that evolution. But for those who are willing to adapt, it will also revolutionize what is possible, unlocking a new frontier of storytelling and visual expression. The future of video is here, and it's going to be a wild ride. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit subscribe for more updates on the future of AI and creativity. Share this with a fellow creator and join the conversation in the comments below. Let's shape the future together.